Hi, everybody. Hope you're doing well. My name is Olga. Welcome to our new Christmas workshop. So New Year is coming, and from all the friendly team of Only Office, I wish you happiness. And now I'll take the moment to show you the new features that could make your Christmas more creative. And also do not forget about Advent calendar. So it will keep you happy with its gifts for more 3 days. You can find the link below in the description. So we have been a lot of changes over this year. 3 important versions have been released. So let's run through the latest one. Let's see the example of the Christmas fairy tales book that we've created, and let's discover the updates for the document editor. Following multiple requests from users, especially from the educational organizations, we have added the option of automatic hyphenation in text documents. With this option enabled, you will be able to create document without having to manually hyphenate the end of the line, and then changing fields, word will be automatically hyphenated if necessary. So you select the passage, and you click on the Layout tab, Hyphenation, and you should click on the Automatic. And you see that the text is hyphenated. Also, you can check the hyphenation options like automatically hyphenate documents, hyphenate words in caps, hyphenation zone, and limit consecutive hyphens too. Okay. You've probably noticed that beautiful Christmas storybooks often begin with a capital letter used as a decorative elements at the beginning of a line, of section or paragraph. The size of a drop cap is usually several lines. This feature isn't new, but can be helpful for your book. So to add a drop cap, we'll try with another paragraph. So we should click on the Insert tab, then drop cap, and you have 2 options here. So you can add a drop cap in text or in margin. So for example, I will select in text. Okay. And the first character of the selected paragraph will be transformed into the drop cap. And if you need to drop cap to include some more characters, you can add them manually. Select the drop cap, place the cursor after it, and you can type it, or even before. To adjust the drop cap appearance, for example, font size, decoration style, color, etc., you can click on the Home tab and adjust it so like the text. And our recently added Draw tab can help children to draw illustrations. So we have a new recently added tab, and you can draw something. For example, we'll test it in the separate document, draw. For example, I will draw the sun. And after that, you can click on the File tab, and you can save it to PNG or JPG, so images format. And as for the Christmas book, you can save this book in EPUB format or even in PDF. So it's time to tell you the big news. We have released our first version of the PDF editor. So I saved the Christmas book in PDF format so that you can see its features. Our newly created PDF editor supports annotations. So you can add comments. You can highlight the text. So yeah, I select the text. I can use strike out. I can draw something, or I can highlight something. And in the next releases, we are going to add collaborative editing as well. So next, we will going to talk about form editor, form creator. Writing a letter to Santa had always been a fun tradition, a Christmas tradition. So let's create an example of it and share it with your friends. First, you can add a text field for your full name or children's last full name, or your friend's name. After that, you can add a drop-down list with countries, so that you can select the country, city and street, and zip code. We have special fields for that. And my favorite part, you can all add the list of your wishes. So you can add text boxes so that you can enter your wishes. And also you can add check boxes for Santa so that he can tick off the gifts he already put in his bag. And now as a gift for Santa, you can add, you can draw a picture, save it, and you can add it to your form. in PNG, for example. We already saved the picture. I will edit. And now it's in your form. And do not forget to leave for Santa your contact email and your phone, just in case. And we have special types of fields for that. So we have fields for email address and for phone number. So how can a spreadsheet editor can help you in the New Year's Eve? In the spreadsheet, you can make a list of products needed for the New Year's party. You can count the amount spent, and so on and so forth. So let's go in order. I created a sheet in which we see the following fields: products, quantity, price per unit, total, comments, and plus and minus, depending on whether we bought this product or not. And next, using the conditional formatting, we can set such a parameter to show which product we haven't bought yet. So I select this needed cells, and I click on the conditional formatting button. Text contains, and for example, it will be minus. So it means that we highlighted the product we haven't bought yet. So let's now add the multiplication formula to calculate the total cost. Note that we have the currency format here. So you right-click on the cell, number format, and we have currency here. It means that the dollar sign will not prevent the formula from working. So I put the equal sign, the cell, so multiplication sign, and this. And I have the result. And now let's use the sum formula. I already added the sum formula to explore a new feature that assists you in checking your formulas. So go to the formula tab, and you can click on the cell and trace. You click on the result and trace precedence button. And now you can see which cells affect the result of the formula. Now I remove errors to make it work backwards. So now I select the cell and I choose trace dependence. It means that that cell leads to the result, and we can see where the result is located. And moreover, we have a new layout tab. We have header and footer, and now we can insert a picture as well to your header and to your footer. And then finally, you can take advantage of our presentation editor to summarize the year in school, for example, university, and somewhere else. To summarize your personal achievements, to make slides more attractive, you can use transitions and animations. I'm going to choose the new transition effect called morph. It means that you will animate smooth movement from one slide to the next. Let's review the slide to see how it works. Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, so we've created Christmas storybook. We created a grocery list. We created a presentation with the results of the year, and we created a letter for Santa. And you can share in the comments how OnlyOffice Editor helped you to be more prepared for the Christmas. And now it's time to finish our webinar. So to pack your gifts. Thank you for your attention. I hope these tips were inspiring and helpful for you. If you still have questions, you can add them in the comments below, or you can contact us at sales@onlyoffice.com. And if you would like to discover more functionalities, you can go to our official website, resources. And yeah, we have training courses. So training courses, you can submit your request here. Yeah, select one of the courses and to know more about some features. So I hope you enjoyed our workshop. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you for being with OnlyOffice. Bye.